A lot of people don't know about this website. In this website, you can download any video of your choice from any platform, be it Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Once you get to this website, you can easily download any video from any platform at all. Follow me in this video. Let me show you how you can do this. If you are in Facebook and you want to download a particular video, this is what you will do. Click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, you scroll down and you will see copy link. You click on copy link. Then you have copied the link of that video. Open your browser. Search for save from.net. Then you go. Once you come to this website, all you need to do is to paste the link of that video here. You paste it. Once you have pasted, you click on download. So if you want to save a particular video, once you paste the link here, they will bring out some of the video from that same page. So now you now click on the one that you want to download. So I'm going to download the first one here, this one that is up. I'm going to click on it. You click on download. So now the video is downloading to my phone. If you are in YouTube and you want to download a particular video, click on the video, play it, then click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, copy the link also. Copy the link. Then you go back to that website, paste the link on the search bar, then you click on download also. Cut the video down here, so you can just click on download. So the good thing is that you can download a very high quality here. Look at this. Once you select, you click down this place, you can download high quality video. Then you click on download again. So the video is downloading already.